Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see OSPF network types. There are five types of OSPF network types: non-broadcast, broadcast, point-to-multipoint, point-to-multipoint, non-broadcast, point-to-point. This video is making the intention one of the viewer asked the question: we have two different network in OSPF like point-to-point and broadcast. Will the topology will work or not? So to explain the demonstration, I just made this video. So this is the topology. We have five routers here. So the router network type is I just made like 10.1, 10.2, 20. Series, 30. Series, and 40. Series. This routers are connected the fast Ethernet cable, and this two router is connected with the serial cable. So I just show you the this one. So the OSPF neighbor is there, and the OSPF connector interface is fast Ethernet 0/1 and 0/0 and serial 0/170. So IP. So uh, this is this is connected as broadcast, because you know, right, because this four router is connected each other in the continuously. So you know, right, if we have two router it is point to point, but if we have more than two router like three or four router and it is connected in the mesh topology, that is broadcast. So it is connected in this way, so hence it is broadcast network type. So this is broadcast network type, and this is point to point. The reason it is point to point is it is connected the serial cable. Generally the serial cable and the frame relay will be coming as point to point, right? So this is network type broadcast, and this is point to point connection. Okay, and the cost of the fast Ethernet is 1, and this cost of the serial cable is 64. And I just demonstrated whether it will work or not. Yes, this point to point and broadcast network is two different network types. If we have in one OSPF topology, yes, it will work. To demonstrate, I will just show you here. Yes, the other IP address is 40.0.0. Yes, so the communication is established. So we have the mesh topology and it is connecting each other. So I hope this is easily understand if that OSPF two different network types will work or not. Yes, it will work. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel to following along with us. Also, please like and leave a comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you for your help and see you guys in the next video.